maybe these dear people will understand what we're talking about. So we need to see the sign warrant. Could you bring the chief constable? Come on then. Get out.
If you take this car, you're acting thoroughly.
Mrs. Defeat, so.
Oh, I see.
You don't have a contract.
So you have no contract.
Prove it.
So you've also spoken to the landlady. Well, we got that down. So okay.
I'm sure the person who saw that is definitely
She was happy with us being here. She said she didn't want to get involved.
So this is totally brute force. This is going to be. Do you realise that?
Yeah.
This lady here, policeman lady.
Police brute force.
This is police force. Do you realise that? If you break that gate down, that's brute force and unlawful.
We won't be damaging anything.
It doesn't matter. You are encroaching on other people's land. No consent. And you are not acting as a policewoman. You are now acting as a corporate police person. You are now acting as a corporate police person. Do you hear that?
That's your opinion.
No, that's
you're
what you are.
To it,
that's not
right?
an opinion. That's law.
That's what you're calling me at the moment.
No, that's what you're acting. If you let that happen, you are both, well, all of you, just corporate persons. You're not policemen at all, or women at all. You've lost your whole authority as police.
Yep, they're coming onto the property without the owner's permission.
You are completely unlawful.
Prove it.
So you've also spoken to the landlady. Well, we got that down. So okay.
I'm sure the person who saw that is definitely.
She was happy with us being here. She said she didn't want to get involved.
No, but you do.
You're saying that.
And you are. You're deeply involved.
Yeah, my colleague was there at the same time. When we spoke to the landlady, she didn't want to get involved.
Yes, I'm filming it.
There you are. And they won't care. That's legal. That's legal. Put in front of my camera too.
Well, get the chief constable down and maybe these dear people will understand what we're talking about.
So we need to see the sign warrant then?
Could you bring the chief constable down? Could we have the chief constable here, please? Could you please bring the chief constable down here from the station?
Bearer of this notice has my permission to view and validate any and all contracts and warrants presented on this date that are addressed to me.
You realise that this is an unlawful. What's happening here is unlawful, and you are part of it.
To me, I'm just doing my job.
No, you're part of it.
I'm just doing my job now.
If you take this car, you're acting thoroughly.
Mrs. Defeat, so.
I see.
All right.
So you have no contract. What's the name of that company, please? You don't know. What's the name of that company, please? You don't know. What's the name of that company, please? You don't know. Do you still wish to take away a car unlawfully? Now you know that it's unlawful? Do you still wish to take away a car now, even though you know it's unlawful?
We now have authorisation to see the warrant.
We have absolutely no proof that she signed that document.
Yes, you do. It's a fingerprint. We want to see a signed warrant, which is the law.
Come on, we're doing
That's the law. We're not asking for anything else but our rights.
We want the signed warrant. Yes,
Gary, do you want to go and tell Mrs. M that what are you doing? You've got no rights to be touching the property here, have you? No, you don't. Tell Mrs. M they're going to know.
Am I obstructing you?
Yes, you are at the moment.
You are. She's not in. Did they talk to her?
If you obstruct us, you'll be arrested.
You are not.
Arrested. Do you understand?
No, I do not.
Bill, okay, well, you'll be under arrest then.
I do not understand that.
Believe in me, I have the lawful authority to do this.
You do not have the lawful authority. You don't have the lawful authority to do this. You are now trespassing.
Yes, this is criminal behaviour.
You are now trespassing. You have no
Criminal behaviour by our own constabulary.
And
And all for the sake of about £40. Look at this, 5 policemen. Well, I don't think they are policemen anymore.
Can you get off the property?
Yes, please get off the property.
Leave now, please.
You are unlawfully trespassing, all of you.
So proud of our nation.
Which one?
Have you got... Is that for me?
So Enfield are conspirators with the police force?
Yes.
Right. This has been on the news, hasn't it, before?
And will be again.
Yes. Corporate policeman, Mr. City Policeman, sitting pretty. Corporation T-shirt. Stupid bloody Tuesday.